Hello dear students, in this video I am going to talk about factors affecting rate of the reaction. This topic is from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. Factors affecting rate of the reaction. Rate of the reaction. Students, first thing is nature of the reactants. Nature of the reactants. Students, different reactions as different rates. Different reactions as different rates, because reason for this is because different molecules has different bonds. So they have different bond dissociation energies. Different bond dissociation energies. Students, different reactions will occur at different rates. Some will be faster, some will be slow reactions. Reason for that, because different molecules has different bonds, so they have different bond dissociation energies. Students, for example, if you take burning of petrol, which occurs at faster rate, it is a faster rate, but we can measure the speed of reaction fast. Whereas burning of coal, it is a time taking process. Burning of coal is time taking, slow, it will occur at a slow rate because of difference in the bonds in a molecule, and they have different bond dissociation energies. Okay, so that's why different reactions has a different reaction rates, different rates. Second factor is concentration. Students, entire chapter of chemical kinetics will deals with the two topics mainly, that is concentration effect on rate of reaction, other one is temperature effect on rate of reaction. Entire chapter deals with the two topics mainly, that is concentration effect on rate of reaction and temperature effect on rate of reaction. As the concentration decreases, as the concentration of reactants decreases, rate decreases. Third factor is temperature. For most of the chemical reaction, few exceptions also there, for most of the chemical reactions, rate increases with increase in temperature. This is in general, as the temperature increases, rate of the reaction increases, but some reactions are there that is reverse, but in general, as the temperature increases, rate of the reaction increases. It is observed that for every 10 degree rise in temperature, rate doubles. sometimes triples, doubles, sometimes triples, sometimes triples. Next factor is effect of catalyst. Students, fourth factor is effect of catalyst. Effect of catalyst. Catalyst increases rate of reaction by decreasing activation energy. Activation energy. So students, what is mean by activation energy? In the latter part of the chapter, we have, at the end of the chapter, we will discuss about the activation energy. So as most of the reactions, effect of catalyst, catalyst increases rate of reaction by decreasing activation energy. Rate increases when we use a catalyst, that is suitable catalyst we have to use. And surface area, last and fifth factor is surface area of solid reactant. Surface area of solid reactant. Students, as the surface area increases, surface area increases, surface energy increases, then rate of the reaction increases. Rate of the reaction increases. Rate of the reaction increases. Students, for the solids, in for example a particular reaction, we are taking some reactant in the form of large size lumps. When they are in the larger size lumps, surface area is less. Surface area is less, then reaction rate is less. When we take this reactant in the form of fine powder, when we make this into fine powder, surface area increases, then the surface energy, which is directly proportional to the surface area, then rate of the reaction automatically it will increases. So when the size, when we do the size reduction, larger size lumps when we made into fine powder, surface area increases, then surface energy, which is directly proportional to the surface area, that also increases, then the rate of the reaction increases. Students, so these are the factors that are affecting the rate of reaction. Thanks for watching.